So, good afternoon. I don't know if you can see me. Let me stay here for better view. I'm bending. Good afternoon. I want to blend some fruits right now. Let's just be fast. My daughter is about will soon come back from school and I'll have to go pick her up. So, good afternoon, everyone. How have you been doing? Join me. Let's just blend this thing. My legs are paining me. Yes, I'm giving you. You happy?
Happy.
Happy. Bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
Love you.
Bye.
Kiss, kiss. So guys, see these shoes. These are Cora's shoes. Like everything here are for Cora. No, don't open it. Close it back. Close it.
No.
Close it. Don't say no, please. Close it. I arranged that place. Where's my cane? Close that thing.
No.
So, as I said, this girl is scattering what I arranged. As I said, these are Cora's shoes. I love shoes. If you know me very well, you know I love shoes. And I have a couple number of them. And I also love my family, my children wearing shoes, different shoes and nice shoes. But then what didn't come to my mind is the fact that their legs grow fast. They are growing kids. They are not like us that stopped at 42. But pregnancy and hormones will make the legs change at any time. Apart from that, I think our legs are not growing anymore. But for growing kids, a year and 9 months, 5 years, their shoes grow so fast. As in they outgrow their shoes so fast. Like now, if you see their shoe rack, let me talk. If you see their shoe rack, you will notice that Kamsi's shoes, most of Kamsi's shoes are now given to Cora. Cora has taken over most of her shoes. Kamsi really has, I think she still has quite a number of shoes, but Cora has taken over most of the shoes. But this one now, like, see these beautiful shoes. This shoe, I can't remember the last time she was like, not the last time, how many times she has worn it. I can't remember how many times she has worn this shoe. See how beautiful it is. I love this shoe. I don't know if you can see it. Hope I'm showing you all. See these shoes. But she has outgrown them. Even this evening, I was trying to make her wear it without hose or without socks. Just wear it plain like that. But unfortunately, this size, oh my God, it's paining me. It's paining, and I love this shoe. Imagine pink. If they have this kind of thing for adults, I'll rush it. I like it. But then it's not her size. We are keeping this. This also is her sister's shoe. Oh wait, she has not tested this. I think she'll wear this. She'll wear this. So this is for Cora. I'll try to check if it will still size her. If it will size her. This one, guys, see this beautiful shoe. See, she didn't wear this one for long too. I think twice or three times. I can't remember. She didn't wear this up to 6 times. Yes, she didn't. So I may not be right with my numbers now, but see, it's no more her size. Very beautiful and strong shoes. It's no more her size. This was a gift. This was a gift given to her by someone. Guys, see. Are you seeing the glitters? You know, she wore this just once or just twice. And everything now is my fault because I even forgot she had this shoe. Where I kept it in her wardrobe where her clothes are. Forgetting that there is something like this. I wish I can force this thing inside her leg. It's so cool.
Mommy.
Yes.
Give me.
Thank you. But it's not her size anymore, you can see. Now see this set of pink shoes too. See these ones. Outgrown also outgrown them. See how I'm looking. Like I'm looking a whole lot. See, I've not slept for a long time, for some days properly now. I see I'm looking like a beaten person. See my hair. See, I'll be going out tomorrow. But it's all good. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, we're on a set. Filming set.